When I joined the company, from the very start I was interested in money. I always say this. And the first thing I began to study was the company's marketing plan. Though I didn't have much experience in MLM, I conducted comparative analysis of my own and studied the marketing plans of several other companies. And from what I learned back then to what I've seen up to this day, because I've been with the company for 4 years, I can definitely say that for me and for many of us, our marketing plan is the best. Because with the same turnover and the same effort, you make absolutely different amounts of money. It's very inspiring, motivating, and it makes you want to put more and more effort into the business. With APL, I earned my first million when I was only 22, after only 9 months of work. So I have first-hand knowledge, and I can say with confidence that anyone can do this.